Welcome to Team's on-stream repair manufacturing facility here in Alvin, Texas. This is just one of several in-house facilities Team operate globally, including our sister facility in Europe, a full-service manufacturing center in the UK, and our large-scale, fully automated hot tapping manufacturing facility nearby here in Houston. Our on-stream services such as leak repair are an essential tool in keeping our clients' assets operational by avoiding unplanned shutdowns. Many of Team's clients operate continuous process plants where downtime is critical, so responsiveness is key. To deliver best-in-class responsiveness, both our engineering and manufacturing programs operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Team have several licensed professional engineers on staff to support round-the-clock needs for PE review and stamping of urgent repair solutions. When a client has an integrity issue, every second counts and communication is key. When a client needs a solution, Team provide local service by staff who are familiar with that plant and their people, backed up by the most experienced engineering and manufacturing group in our space. Team's local staff work with our clients to ensure that the repair solution is as efficient as possible and communicate the requirements and urgency throughout our organization, from the first call all the way through to installation.